So I was walking my yard yesterday, and as you can see, the crepe myrtles are looking good. Ruellia I'm about to transplant. This is the pink crepe myrtle. And then you get to this one. And if you can see, looks like I have some bark scale. I didn't notice this before now. Does it spread that quick, or did I just not notice it? It's going all the way up this tree, which is about 15 feet tall. My other crepe myrtles don't seem to have... Wait, yep, that one has some right there. This one, I'm not seeing any on this one. And I see some on that one. So it looks like that one tree's the worst. So I went to Lowe's, and this is all I could find. So here are the ingredients in this organic stuff. Looks all fine to me. And it says on there that it would treat bark scale. And it says to use it after 4 o'clock. So I'm going to wait until after 4 o'clock, and then I'm going to come back and treat these trees. I planted these 4 years ago. It starts with the white, let's see, white, and then it goes all the way pink, white, pink, white, pink, white. You get the picture. So I don't want to lose my trees, even though supposedly you don't normally lose them to that, but I sure don't want that pretty bark to turn black. I've been gardening for over 20 years, and I've never had to use any herbicides, pesticides, or anything like that. So this is all kind of new to me. Yeah, so we're gonna see how this works. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but it smells good. Could be why my trees didn't flower all that great this year. I just assumed it was because of the freeze we had. But even though some of these don't show, or I'm not seeing any of that bark scale on there, the ones with it, like that one, doesn't have that many flowers on it. They're white, so they're kind of hard to see in this light, but it doesn't have hardly any flowers on it. So I'm going to go around to the other side of the trees and get them from the other angle. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, well, they're good and saturated. We'll just have to wait a couple of weeks and see. I'm going to get some double-sided tape and put on there to see if we get any action. I must look really mean when the sun is out and I'm squinting. I was born with RBF. Google that if you don't know what it means. And I was diagnosed with glaucoma last year, early stages of glaucoma, treatable. And my eyes are sensitive to the sun, but I can't really wear sunglasses and be on camera. It's not very friendly. So if you see me in sunglasses, that means it's making my eyes water really bad. But otherwise, you know, I'm good. I'm going to sit here with my Canada Dry, enjoy the rest of my evening, and I hope you guys do too. Good night.